Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about decoupage, and I'll be upcycling an old tin that I have at home with this method. So stay tuned guys. I have limited resources since it's lockdown, so I have this tin, a chalk paint and a sponge, which I'll be using it for applying the paint. As you can see, I'm just gently rubbing it over the tin, and following that I will just dab the paint all over and allow it to dry. And here are the tissues that you can see. I'll be using this vintage sort of a print for this decoupage, and I have a few other tissues which I've collected over time. And yeah, so this tissue, it's a 2-ply, so we'll have to remove the upper layer so that it sticks well, and it helps in the process. So yeah, I am removing this layer, and once I'm done with that, I will cut it into the desired shape that's required for this decoupage. So since I'll be taking the flowers that's there in the tissue, I'll be cutting it into that shape. So here is the cutout pieces that you can see. I will be using just 2 pieces since the tin is small, and that's all I can utilize. And for making the Mod Podge, since I don't have the Mod Podge, I am using Fevicol, and we'll have to use equal parts of Fevicol with water. So here is 1 part of Fevicol, and I've added 1 part of water in the glass, and I'll be mixing it to form the solution. As you can see, I've already pasted the tissue. You can apply the solution over the tissue and see how it goes, and see that there are not much bubble forming over the tissue. And yeah, here I will show you how I place the second tissue. So apply a thin layer of the solution, and then place the tissue and just press it gently with your fingers, and then apply the solution over the tissue. So I've left it outside to dry, and it's air drying. It should be ready in about an hour or so. And once it's dry, if you have varnish at home, you can apply it as a top layer to give it a glossy look. But yeah, this is the end result, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. I also made one more on this Nescafe bottle, and it's simple. I did not use any paint on it. But yeah, if you all enjoyed this video, do give it a like, and if you're new here, do consider subscribing to my channel for more such contents. I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Bye bye.